Hello, folks. My full name is Gabriel Guimarães, but normally people call me Gabes. I am 24 years old and my birthday is on March 27th. I am a graduated electrical engineer, but I'm working as a project assistant at Exomed. I live with my mother. Her name is Terezinha. We live in São Carlos-SP. I don't have any pets, but I love dogs and cats. I have a big family, but most of them live in São Paulo. I visit them at least once a year. My days normally are ordinary. I wake up early, about 7 sharp am. I have breakfast and I go to work. Later, I go to the gym and then I go back home. In the last year, I was really busy because of the university. I don't have many abilities, in addition to being creative, but I have some skills. I am very good with numbers. I love doing calculations. I can play the guitar, program a little, and I know a lot about electrical engineering, electronics, and automation. About my personality, I think I am humble, smart, friendly, organized, and freaking funny. But sometimes I am a little stressed, glutton, materialist, and too sincere. But I'm improving. I love having new experiences, like traveling, playing and listening to music as AC/DC, Metallica, Megadeth, Foo Fighters, iMoons. Also watching movies and series. My favorite movies are Limitless, Avengers Endgame, Untouchables, and my favorite series are Vikings, Sherlock, Game of Thrones, but I dislike watching soap operas. They are tedious. I adore practicing sports, like soccer and volleyball. In the past, I played for the school team, but now I'm practicing only a few times. Also, I love esports and motorcycles. Well, I expect to be very successful in the future and I shall follow my dream career. For more information, you can check my CV and contact me. See ya!